Hello guys, welcome to this video. It's your boy Wilson, and I'm delighted to announce to you that QuickTable has finally been released and is now ready for use. In this video, I'll be taking you through the product in order to see what features it contains. For those who don't know what QuickTable is a no-code data modeling and processing tool, and it's one of the first in the whole world. And for those who don't have a QuickTable account yet, I'll leave a link in the description below, so you can click on the link to create your account. All right, without wasting much of your time, we'll just go straight to the video. After creating and logging on QuickTable, you have you'll be presented with a home page that looks just like this. So here we have home, data connections, settings, and my profile. So here we have upload a file. So you can either upload an Excel or a CSV file. Here to connect to a data source. You can either integrate from a database or a data warehouse. So let's see what databases we can integrate to. So let's say data connections and data integrations. Yeah, new connection. So here you can integrate QuickTable with MySQL with about 142 data sources. We have databases like MySQL and PostSQL. We have data lakes like Amazon S3, Aliyun, Maxim Computer, Snowflake, Databricks, human resource. We have different files like AWS Cloud Trial and so on. We have different kinds of APIs, different functions, events, marketing, productivity, finance, support. There's a lot different sources, and engineering. You can also integrate it with your GitHub. Sales, Microsoft Dynamics, and so on and so forth. So I think it's really wonderful. So after that we have, let's see, let's open one data table. See, let's go to the main menu. Okay, let's open this customer. Here's the main menu, and here we can see we have the undo and the redo buttons. We have replace, filters, create a new column, calculator, calculations, date and time, text, split, merge, JSON object, formula, group by, window functions. We have pivot, unpivot, join, union, and we have so many different kinds of charts for visualization. And on the footer of this our table, we have some basic information about the data table, like here we are dealing with 150,000 rows and 8 columns. You can also scroll left and right. You can scroll across the data records, and we have this receipt. This receipt saves data processing steps. For example, I'm going to let's just do some data processing here. Let's split this. Let's get the customer name and ID. Let's get the customer ID. So let's split this column. Customize it using this. Yeah. So save. And we split that column successfully, and so we have customer, and then we have this code. We split into two. So here we can On this receipt, you see here is written receipt. Every data processing step you take will be recorded here, and you can then select steps you wish to and then convert it to either SQL or other programming languages like this. And this is how you can use QuickTable without necessarily knowing how to code. That's why it's called a no-code data processing modeling tool. So I think it's a very impressive tool, and I think you should definitely try it because I've been trying it. I tried it a while ago, and I'm really satisfied with the results. Uh, that's my first impression on this new tool. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for following my overview. I'll see you in the next video.